You and my friends should hang out on the week.
What's your favorite scary movie?
Live from the dungeon, we coming. Y'all best be running, we coming. Y'all don't want none of this gunning. I don't know why y'all I'ma scare the socks off you. For sure the shot stops all you. Knock your locks off and chop your watch off you. Lurking in the back like a crook in the black of the bushes. With the rats with the axe and the stacks of wood is. By the garage, the mirage tracks the shadow. My weapon is large for bodies, I'm strapped for battle. My soul is in the crossroads, it hides the feeling. Somewhere deep inside the spirit to rise the killer. I'm too distant to talk, my vicious assault is inflicted in parts to slit you a stick in your heart. I got nothing to lose and nothing to gain. Only way I'm dying is up in flames. I'm stuck in the game. Look at you busting your thing. Shots only get stuck in my frame. I got you not trusting your aim. I never speak, but you can hear me breathe at night. With a hunger and greed for life to deceive what's right. I'm a true killer, a true prison to do business. Live on a booth on a river, droop with news clippings. I only come out when it's time to run out and find an innocent victim inside one house with blinds. I'm Freddy Krueger, Jason and Scream, chasing a dream, looking for a scene to take to the extreme for the means. You better carry your Uzis, it's rare to do me. Everybody's scared to view me, I'm scary movie. Yo, y'all want drama? Wanna make a scary movie? Rappers coming in with their team and carry toolies. You could jump right out of the screen and barely move me. We hard hitting, directing and starring in it. Y'all want drama? Wanna make a scary movie? Rappers coming in with their team and carry toolies. You could jump right out of the screen and barely move me. We hard hitting, directing and starring in it. Niggas from the wall don't bleed. 30 dozen niggas don't bleed. Boys 5'9" don't bleed. Rock City niggas don't bleed. Live from the dungeon, we coming. Y'all best be running, we coming. Y'all don't want none of this gunning. I don't know why y'all. Yo, all this room in this big